really bad. Shit. She's got the wind and the rain. Anytime I'm going away. He's got the whole world in his hands. And it's getting really bad. I think we're about to see more of the heavier rain.
I'm gonna go clean the pit.
No, what? What? What's back there? It's getting really bad. Where'd you go? Holy crap. What? Where are you? I'm free. Oh my God. And the door's about to close on my fingers. Yeah. I don't know. Remember that?
There's 4 cockroaches outside today.
Oh, God, you scared the crap out of me. But Hurricane Brett was a category 4. That was when you were like 5. Brett. Okay, it's slowing down. I'm going to go inside.